Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video comes from a viewer or a subscriber. They could not quite figure out well, let's just bring that screen up. When you have a rectangle, you've got your corner radius settings, and then there's a button right here called relative corner scaling, and they couldn't quite figure out what that was. So we've got a rectangle and it's 10 by, or a square 10 by 10, and I'm going to put scallop corners on it at 2 inches. So if you press any of those four, because this is locked, it's going to do all four. Now here's what this is. See, this is highlighted right now. It's blue. I'm going to make this thing smaller. I'll tell you what, let's back up here. Let's make a duplicate of that. Control D and move this down. This miniature one looks just like the other one. But if you do not have that checked, look what happens now. It's still like 2 inches. It's a 2-inch radius, but our item is quite a bit smaller. So there's still a 2-inch radius. So when you have this, it's going to scale it down in equal proportions. So if that's what you're wanting, it's also a pretty nice cool tool. It would take you a little while to draw that shape right there. It's a pretty neat shape. But anyway, I hope it answered their question, and thank you for watching.